What's going on, money lovers? Welcome back. Voyager Digital stock has absolutely blasted off, up 64% in the past 5 days. Voyager Digital is a company we've been covering for a long time here on the channel. Talking about it on the channel here since about May. So we made a lot of videos on Voyager. Definitely check those out if you're interested in. And the last one, we talked about the Dallas Mavericks partnership, Mark Cuban getting involved. I think this was a huge deal for them. And before we get into the video, I just want to say thank you all for the continued support. Up to 785 subscribers, hoping to get to 1,000 by the end of the year here. So today we're going to talk about a few things, starting with Voyager Digital's earnings, what they reported for the year here, their partnership with Alameda Research, and some price targets. So Voyager Digital reported revenue of $175 million for fiscal year 2021. 2021 was a breakout year for Voyager. And if you just look at these staggering comparisons since 2020, total revenue increased to $175 million from $1 million in fiscal year 2020. That is 175x growth. Operating income was positive, $56 million, compared to an operating loss of $11 million in the prior year. 1.75 million verified users, up from 86,000 in the prior year. And more importantly, I think total funded accounts grew to 665,000 from 23,000. So those funded accounts obviously are where Voyager actually is making the money. Total assets under management grew to 2.6 billion from 35 million. This company is growing at a very fast rate, and they're looking to get into a lot of other things. You know, right now it's just a crypto brokerage. But when Mark Cuban asked if they're interested in NFTs, they said that they plan to get into that space as well. But even beyond that, this is a company that wants to launch debit cards, become a full-fledged brokerage. Just to hit on some of their highlights really quick here, you can earn up to 12% yield on their cryptocurrencies. They offer 60+ crypto assets and stable coins and yields on over 30 of those coins. So you can earn interest or stake over 30 of the coins. There's a massive opportunity here. The crypto market opportunity is expected to be around $1.7 trillion. So Voyager only needs to capture a small portion of that, and they're going to thrive. They're operating in the US, hoping to get into Canada soon, and they were just approved in Europe, so that should be a huge boost to their customer base. And then the last two slides I want to cover here, when you compare Voyager to the competitors, the competition really does not come close. As you can see, Voyager offers the highest amount of different cryptocurrencies, as well as the highest reward-bearing assets that you can earn interest on. 60+ cryptos, 30+ you can earn interest on. The competition is nowhere close to that. Coinbase and Kraken, 45 and 50 coins respectively, and many of these competitors far less and do not offer interest on any or very few of them. And then the last slide I want to touch on here, to give you an idea, this company wants to get into so much more, launching credit and debit cards, traditional banking products, becoming a full-fledged equity brokerage where you could buy stocks as well, self-custody wallet, and other traditional banking products. So there's a lot to look forward to and be excited here with this company. This is from the CEO here. As we diversify our revenue streams to enhance the long-term value of each customer and expand our market opportunity internationally, we believe the best is yet to come for the Voyager platform. And I agree. They're really just getting started here. So we've got their quarterly earnings to look forward to on November 15th. I'll definitely be covering that on the channel here. So don't forget to subscribe. Drop me a comment below if you have any questions. Now moving on to the $75 million strategic investment they received from Alameda Research. Alameda is a clear pioneer in the crypto industry, one of the largest crypto market makers in the world, and we believe there are significant opportunities to working together. While the immediate opportunity is on the order flow and asset management front, we are tremendously excited about potential future synergistic opportunities in the continuously evolving crypto industry. These opportunities include NFTs and crypto derivatives through Alameda, as well as the creation of thought leadership as we work with lawmakers on shaping regulation. So lots of benefits from this partnership, and they'll be able to, hopefully through Alameda, get into NFTs and crypto derivatives. This will just help Voyager become even more diversified and offer more products. And then from the CEO of Alameda, we have admired Voyager's transparency in the industry and believe the management team has laid the groundwork to succeed at scale, as evidenced by their explosive growth this past year. So Voyager has done a great job of, working with regulators, doing everything by the book. It obviously takes a longer amount of time in the beginning, but it is well worth it in the long run, so they don't end up in a situation like what we're seeing with Binance. So Alameda is a perfect fit to be a core lending partner for Voyager, and will allow Voyager to further expand the breadth of its rewards program. This is a great partnership, obviously ties into a lot of what Voyager's already doing with their rewards program, and lending could be another stream of revenue for Voyager now. If we look at tip ranks here, they have a price target based on 3 analysts of $24.22, representing still 53% upside from here. And I think long term, if Voyager continues to execute, the upside is going to be significantly higher. So I think $15 is is a good price to get in here, and I'll probably be picking up some more shares soon just to finish out my position. So if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, drop me a comment below if you have any questions. Let me know what companies you want to learn more about in the future. This is Vinny from the Investment Club, and I'll see you next time.